internet and get ready for a very spooky day here at Disneyland. I'm getting ready to head into the Oogie Boogie Bash. This is Disneyland's after hours event happening in California Adventure. It's all sold out for 2022, and it's also my very first time ever going to an after hours event or Oogie Boogie, so this is gonna be a whole lot of fun. Lots of fun stuff to check out, whether it's the treat trails, all the cool characters. I am all decked out, ready to go as a Jungle Cruise skipper. Got some fantastic jokes we're gonna tell. So the event officially starts at 6 p.m., but there is an early mix-in at 3 where we can start entering the park, and we are here. We have Oogie Boogie decked out on top of the California Adventure sign. We're gonna head on in. Thank you. We have made it into the party, wristband secured. We got our event guide, we got our treat bag, because we're gonna get plenty of treats. Also, can we talk about Haley's amazing costume? Haley, who do we got here?
I'm a pirate. I could be a generic pirate, or if you've been on Pirates of the Caribbean recently, I could be like a little bit of a red pirate.
See, I think you look more like Red from Pirates of the Caribbean.
I'll take it.
It looks great. As you can see here, lots of stuff for us to check out here at Oogie Boogie Bash, between all the treat trails, the parade, all the photo ops. So these little cauldrons here are all the different treat trails, and we got our bag for all the food we're gonna get here, and then we have all the photo ops, and of course, lots of fun stuff in the parade route, which comes right down here for the Frightfully Fun Parade. It is now just after 6 p.m. and Oogie Boogie Bash has finally kicked off. We got our treat bag. We are here on Pixar Pier, hitting up our very first treat trail.
Hi. What? Why are your wings broken? You're not gonna be able to fly anywhere. So to infinity and nowhere? Got it.
Hi there. Hi. Thank you so much.
Nice skipper.
Yeah, thank you. Hi there.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Here we go.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
That.
Oh, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. We're literally only one treat trail in, and this bag is already a third of the way full. Thankfully, I brought some Ziploc bags to really pack it all in. But now that we got some treats, we're gonna go get some thrills. Easily one of my favorite parts of Oogie Boogie Bash are the super low crowds, super low waits. We've gone on so many rides. Look at this view of Pixar Pier at night with barely anyone. Like, all these rides are virtually walk-ons. We're on the Golden Zephyr. We walked on this. We walked on the Pal Around. We walked on so many rides. It's so great. Skedaddle on out. Now that we fit in a few rides, have gone through the treat trails, we are about to check out the Frightfully Fun Parade featuring the Headless Horseman. Oh my God.
Come on, gather everyone for a little frightful fun. It's Halloween, everybody. Me, your dear friend. Yeah, time to join the scale operation. I am the Pumpkin King, and this, my friend, is Halloween. It's Halloween, everybody.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the season of chills and thrills. No, it's not your imagination. Creepy creeps have crept from their crypts to join the swinging wake. Aren't you dying to join them?
Carry shadows to some dance, to a terrorizing trance.
Welcome to Transformation Center.
You! Yes, you there! What are you wearing? I simply must have it! Oh my god, Cinderella! The ocean's red! You shall break the rules! You see this Halloween!
The Frightfully Fun Parade just finished up, and I have to say I absolutely loved it. Now, I heard some mixed things online about it compared to other Disney parades, but I loved all the theming, the variety of different Halloween floats, and all of the rare characters, some of which I've never seen in the Disney parks, so that was really cool. We are currently in line for Villains Grow, one of the most highly anticipated treat trails here at Oogie Boogie. Welcome aboard the world famous Jungle Cruise. I'm your skipper Austin, here to guide you through the next 7 days and 7 beautiful nights here in the jungle, also known as the Redwoods. Now, for your safety, please keep your hands hands, arms, feet, legs inside the boat at all times. Do watch your children, otherwise the alligators will. Now, if you take a look over to your right, you'll see some sentimental rocks. Now, you know, a lot of people call it whatever they may, but they typically take it for granted. Haley, can you get your thoughts on Oogie Boogie Bash? What are your thoughts?
Honestly, I'm enjoying myself. I'm eating all my candy.
That's good. So many free snacks.
Brought a free bag, this is my magic key holder. Got my candy.
It's great. It's like a reward. Everyone, Villains Grove in the Redwood Creek Challenge Trail. This Halloween Horror Nights? Such a visually stunning trail, like seeing all the lights and the effects, super amazing. We are now entering treat trail number 2. This is right next to the Grizzly River Run. We are loading up on the treats. Oh, look at that blue waterfall. I've been starving all night and we've been getting lots of treats, from chocolate to apples to some Pirates booty, if you know what that is, one of my favorites. And I've been eating my way through it. We got another stop here on this treat trail.
I'm already as young as can be, but if you do see my flower, tell her I miss her so much. After all, dears, mother knows best. Oh. Ta-ta, dears.
Ta-ta! Now cross the park over to the Hollywood land, and now we're heading into the animation building because the Oogie Boogie of the Oogie Boogie Bash is in there, as well as another treat trail. And let me tell you, we are just going through all these treats. I've eaten so much, had a lot of sugar. So far, we're making some pretty good progress. We got on a lot of rides. It's about 9:30 right now. Event ends at 11, so we have 90 minutes left, but here we go. Heading on into the Animation Academy. Hello. Hi. Thank you. Right outside of the Animation Academy is the Cruella Treat Trail.
Now are you looking for something? You look like an explorer.
Yeah, I'm looking for a lost dog. Would you happen to know where I could find one?
Lost, no, but I do have 5 dogs of my own.
Oh, gotcha. Well, I got it.
You really might find a friend in an unlikely place.
Never know.
I did meet a buddy in a dumpster of all places.
Oh, I'll gotta check the dumpster next.
Yeah.
Moving now to Avengers Campus, my favorite ride here in DC is definitely Guardians of the Galaxy. And for Halloween tonight, it is Guardians of the Galaxy Monsters After Dark. It's a special Halloween overlay. I absolutely love it. And it's just so epic. Like, this ride's already so epic as it is, but it adds an extra layer of spooky and mystery and fun and thrills. I'm probably gonna cry because I just stuffed down a hot dog from Award Wieners. Wish us luck. Probably gonna throw up.
I just need you to wave your arms, scream, whatever it takes, and then all these things will, never mind.
Don't spill your
You
candy.
see a scary creature, scream real loud, and look delicious.
Oh boy. Ah! Oh my god.
Oh, crap. Distract them already. Wave your arms. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we do hope you enjoyed your tour. Please gather your souvenirs.
See? I knew my plan would work. Spit that out. It's not candy. Watch your language. Oh, very still.
Guardians After Dark was of course fantastic. I definitely lost it a few times, felt my dinner come up a little bit, but now we're in another part of Avengers Campus and I see one of the iconic characters from WandaVision. But first, some candy. Hi, thank you.
You're welcome, my man.
These treats here, I'm telling you, this bag is not big enough for all the treats that we're holding.
Let's spin together. I'm gonna join you. Am I a princess now? This is what being a princess feels like. Maybe they're not as clumsy. I am red. You know, I've been a kid once. Just once. Do I regret it? No, of course not. I kid.
All right, leaving Avengers Campus now. We just got off the critically acclaimed Web Slingers, a Spider-Man adventure. I always skip the ride, but it was a 10-minute wait. That's the beauty of Oogie Boogie. These rides are walk-on. So we're gonna try to squeeze in just one more treat trail, and that is with the one and only Ernesto. Oh, look at that lighting. We're here in front of the Avengers. Look at that. Ooh. Gonna go check out the treat trail out here with Ernesto de la Cruz from one of my favorite Pixar movies, Coco. One of the new villains this year here at Oogie Boogie Bash.
The great Ernesto de la Cruz. Really? Sprouted wings.
That about wraps it up for us at Oogie Boogie Bash. We just left the park. We went back to our room here at the Disneyland Hotel. It's my very first time ever staying at a Disneyland hotel, and all the little magical touches just like this are so great. Look at the hidden Mickey and fireworks. Like, I've been turning this thing on and off non-stop, but I gotta say, Oogie Boogie Bash was so much fun. I love doing the after hours event, seeing all the cool characters, the treat trails, the low waits for rides. Like, we had so many walk-on rides. It was so great. Definitely would love to do it again. Of course, if you want to check out Oogie Boogie Bash, it is sold out for 2022. Hopefully you already scored your ticket, but if not, I'm sure it will be back for 2023. And of course, there's a whole lot of Halloween fun at the Disneyland Resort. I'll be doing a whole separate video both at Disneyland and California Adventure during the day to talk about what is happening during the Halloween season. So if you did like this video and want to see more Disney content, be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and bell button down below. And until next time, I will see you on the internet. Here's a look at all the treats we got from the treat trail. That's some of the healthy stuff over here. This is some of the not so healthy stuff.
My freaking favorite. We just, swapped candy.
We did a candy trade because I don't like peanut M&Ms, but I do like these ones.
Yeah, so I got all my